So today on Stone Talk we want to talk about a girl's best friend, and that's diamonds. But today it's about what the Edstein team's best friends are. And when we actually come to manufacturing someone's benchtop, we employ a number of different diamond tools. On our CNC machines, we start with a core bit where we actually drill a hole through the benchtop. That allows us to then insert a tool like this, which is actually a router bit. That router bit goes in the hole, and then we'll actually grind, not cut, but actually grind the hole for a sink cutout or an edge profile or whatever it happens to be that we're processing. You'll see, if you might be able to pick up the sparkles in this particular one, it's an industrial diamond in a steel bond, and that bond will actually wear away over time. These tools come in heaps of different shapes. You'll see this one here. This one has a profile where we actually have a small round on the top and bottom, which is our most popular profile. We start with a very coarse diamond. This one's probably about a 60 grit, and then we go through the series of tools. The machine will pick the tool up, put the tool back, swap them over, do the process and continue through. As you can see here, there are 6 different tools in the process, and we start very coarse and we finish with a very fine rubberized abrasive, and the rubber allows for a little bit of flexibility with a ceramic coating on it. That's what actually burnishes the stone and polishes it up. These tools last from anything up to the router bits may last a week to 2 weeks, and some of these other tools may last us up to a couple of months. So we get a lot of meterage out of the tools, and allows us to provide a very consistent, high quality finish in all of the processes that we're doing. Hope you learnt something today. If you want to find out more, jump on our website edstein.com.au and have a look.